help you improve your manga edits. So first of all, I'll be showing how to do this, which popped up in the screen. Tell you how to do that. First of all, you gotta add a character, a cutout character, by the way, for it to work properly. And if you want to, you can add a border, so it can it can be highlighted. Now, first, let's make it like pop up like this, pop up like that, like this. There you go. For the graph, you can, for smooth graphs, normally I use this. This is the type of graph I use. See, it's quite smooth, and the other option is literally just the opposite, like that. So this is my two main graphs that I use. You can use this too, which will really help you out with your edits. Now that I've done this transition type of thing, now for the effect, the bending effect, you want to go here, you want to search up bend. First of all, bend. Okay, you should probably know, if you quite experienced it, you should know what the bend effect is. Then now that you have the bend effect, you can you will see like many origins, like left, right, top, bottom. You gotta use the bottom one. Okay, so you gotta use the bottom one. Then you can turn the character, bend the character in any direction you want. So for example, I want to turn bend the character this way. So I will bend the character this way using the keyframes. Put that in the first, and put that, and do the exact opposite. This one in the minus, and this one in the plus. So see, it pops it like this. It's really cool. So you can also do that. Plus you can also do this. You wanna go into graphs. You wanna go over here, click on this type of graph. Then you wanna do this, and just pull this up above here. There you go. See, he'll pop up like this, which is quite nice. If if you are going for a certain type of edit, you can do this type of style. Onto the wave warp, the wavy type of thing, the wavy type of effect. I'll tell you about that. You want to go over here to distortion / warp. Then you will see a wave warp. So this is the thing I use. First of all, we'll angle it 90 degrees. There you go. See, it's 90 degrees. Then you want to lower the space. You lower the spacing. I usually keep it around this, and yeah, keep the magnitude same. Now you can see. Wait, increase the spacing a little. You can see there's like this wave. It's waving around. Right, it's like a flag. It's like a flag is waving around. This is also a good effect you can use in your edits. So you can also use this as effect. Look at that. It looks a bit junky, but it's all right. See, and it looks nice. You just add some motion blur to it, and you get this. I mean, isn't that nice? That's nice, right? Alright, now you wanna get a next cutout for the next thing, which will be the question mark pop-up. So for the question mark pop-up, I've got this another Kaiser picture over here. Now what I'll do is, first of all, let's not add any you will not add any keyframes. You will add the border like outside. Okay, you have to get the cutout properly and create the border, do it on the outside. Then what you gotta do is, first you gotta click on add an effect. With this effect called solid color, right over here, solid color. Okay, you gotta add this. I usually turn into black or gray. I usually do black color. Looks nice, honestly. Okay, so putting this aside. Now as you can see, the characters is clearly, you can see the character because of the borderline, which will help you find out the character. You gotta add the question mark text. I'm gonna add a font over here. I know a font which I like. Example, I like this font. I'll place it over here, change the color to white, and there you go. Basically like that. Now for you to like move it with it, you gotta group it together. Let's see, I'll group it here. See, now it's all, see, now that I've grouped it, now it's all together. You can move it around, you can just do anything with it. See, as the question mark and everything will move it. See, this is a really nice technique I use. It's a kind of creative way to make your edits. The clone effect, which a lot of you guys have been asking for, I will not be able to do CCs. I don't have enough time for that. Alright, now using this Kaiser cutout as an example, first of all, for the clone effect, for example, I'll put them here. Alright, now first of all, what you want to do is go here, go to the effects and add radial rays, the one like I've used. Now you want to go to this count thing and just add a bunch of the rays. Now you want to go down here, go to the radial section, then you want to change this will add this effect which I use. Look at that. This is a thing I use, and you can change the frequency, like zoom in, zoom out, which will also be pretty nice. You can do this, add that, and change the face. Change the face like that. Now you can also do this while with that you can also change the angle to like rotate it around, which is also looks pretty nice. With that, now the next effect will be this thing called find edges. As you can see, yeah, this will change your thing to be like this. Then after this, after you do this, you gotta click on the invert thing. See, it will do this. You can also change it to your liking, change the smoothing to your liking. Then what you want to do is find this thing called 4 color gradient. Okay, there's this 4 color gradient. See, it'll change it like this, right? See, now that I've changed the color, now what you gotta do is, alright, now what you gotta do is add this thing called soft glow. Put the thing called find edges again. Put it again. Now as you can see, this looks pretty great. This is as you can see, the clone is done. And you can use the clone like this. But let me put it back here, and you can see. Check this out. Alright, now check this out. See, now that should be it. That should help you. I hope this helps you a lot in your edits, so you can improve your edits. This has been quite requested. I will do the CC color correction, manga color correction next, or I'll just drop a preset when I reach a like goal or something. Okay, so then this is all of it. This is just a small simple tutorial for you guys to improve your edits. If you want a preset, I'll drop it once I'd say we reach 50 likes, and I'm gonna drop this small little preset down in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hope this helps you in your edits. And alright, see you soon. Bye bye.